Before the invention of photography in the 1830s, someone's likeness could only be captured through a painted, drawn, or sculpted portrait. This was mostly a luxury that only the richest could afford. Historic portraiture depicts those with wealth and power, often in an idealized way. Portraiture was considered by art academies to be one of the highest forms of art, second only to history painting. Grand portraits of rich and powerful 19th century figures, predominantly white men, are ubiquitous in museum collections. From the late 19th and early 20th centuries, portraiture as a genre changed alongside wider society. Modern and contemporary artists have used portraiture in ways that both reference and subvert the art of the past. Donald Rodney's In the House of My Father from 1996-97 is an extraordinary example of contemporary self-portraiture. A photograph shows the artist's hand resting on the white sheet of a hospital bed. In his palm sits a small sculpture of a house made from his skin. The skin was removed during treatment for sickle cell anemia, an inherited genetic condition that led to Rodney's death in 1998 at the age of 36. The house sculpture is a partner work to In the House of My Father, titled My Mother, My Father, My Sister, My Brother, with the two works shown side by side in the exhibition. Rodney's later work focused on his own mortality, along with his sense of family and identity. As a British-born artist whose parents had emigrated from Jamaica, Rodney explored shifting notions of Britishness and the experience of the Afro-Caribbean diaspora. A moving self-portrait, the work retains an ambiguous power and carries profound messages around inherited experience.